It was a memorable day, my first day, to go to the Beekeeper's Cafe in Port Costa, California. A tremendous wind was blowing off of the Carquinez Strait, howling around, coming down the chimney pipe of the little wood-burning stove in the cafe. I remember flames were shooting out the front of the stove, and I was thinking to myself, is that normal? Earl, the beekeeper, came over and poured a pitcher of water into the stove to douse the flames. What happened next was chaos. Smoke, steam, and ashes flung themselves up and swirled around inside the cafe, and a lady opened the door, inviting even more wind, and 3 ladies seated by the window jumped up simultaneously and trooped out. Luce and Dee Stewart, who were sitting near me, and I were like little children, bewildered, enjoying the smell of the wood smoke. And Earl told us all, "Okay, everybody, time to leave."